So, Lincoln, how was it growing up in Jamaica in Augustown? How was the journey there?
Yeah, the journey rough. The journey rough. I actually grew up like my father was a drug dealer.
Okay.
My father dead now though. But my
Rest
father,
in peace.
yeah. My father was a drug dealer. And I actually grew up to be a drug dealer, really, you know. Like
Yeah.
me I help with the drug trade since I was a little kid.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Me help press weed, me package up weed.
Yeah.
My father put coke in a food saver bag, and my job is to wash them off with bleach water and lime. You know, so that the dog them not smell it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? My father put coke and weed and thing in an envelope, and I carry them go to the post office and I put stamps on them and I ship them. You know what I say? So I grew up to be a drug dealer. And I just speak on different road. I just say, no, I not do that.
What moved you away from it? What gave you the indication like, yo, this is not what you're supposed to be doing?
You know, say really and truly, every time I try to sell drugs, it just never work for me. It just don't work. Nobody buy drugs from me. So I just love it.
Chubby.
Yeah, I get that 1 pound of weed and I sell it.
Yeah.
And then when I send back a market, the man them thief my money.
Wow.
You know, things like that. Just drug thing just never work out for me really.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And but outside of that, like growing up, you know, that was my thing with my father, and I was really close to my father, man, big son or whatever.
Yeah.
My father ended up moved to America and basically kind of like left me at Jamaica really.
Wow.
You see me? I was like 15 in a Jamaica, and it end up that me end up live by myself. You see me?
So you basically had to bring yourself up.
Yeah, me end up off it. Cause me used to have bricks of weed, like all weed my father never bother use and them thing. Them used to have bricks of weed. Me used to sell weed, but nobody never really. The main people them never really want my weed for buy. My weed are all cure. You have some little old man.
You hate compressed weed in a dog.
Yeah, man.
Compressed just brown and ugly.
Yeah.
Jesus. Yes. God, bro.
But we have a little one customer, one man, him kind of mad, but him having little money.
What's that kind of mad?
Him kind of mad. He used to buy my compressed weed. And him all give me all $20 and $30. Me give him a handful of weed because me have bricks of weed in my house.
Yeah.
Yeah. And just little thing. And my family, like my neighbor was really good to me, you know, like them when them cook, them would give me food and them thing. They were really, really, really rough. Until my mother ended up come back to Jamaica. My mother did there at England. My mother come back to Jamaica and my grandmother filed for we, and so comes me reach America though.
Okay. So dude, at the point where he left, did you guys communicate like after he left, or that was it?
Yeah, we did communicate, but here we're going now. I was not in an understanding place because I never come to America and really understand what's going on. Because my father moved come to America and he moved with his wife.
Wow.
Right? His wife is Sasha. Sasha will sing the song with Sean Paul.
Word.
Right? He moved, live with his wife. He have 2 kids with her, right? And him not sell drugs again. He might work at 9 to 5. Now you have a family here.
Yeah.
You have to take care of your family here. So when him never really there send money and them things there, with it vex, I'm stress out. You see me?
Damn.
But me never really understand and get the fullness of like, yo, you're there right so with your wife and your 2 pitney them now and you don't sell drugs no more.
Yeah.
You really have to take care of your family where they're right so immediately in front of you.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So him never really there send the money. I really take care of them with and
damn.
Yeah, they just
was one of the youth them where with Sasha that used to got charges. I know used to got charges. Sasha's son, one of Sasha's son them used to got charges.
That's our first son which she have with Tony Kelly.
Okay then.
That's Shane.
Okay.
We treat him like my brother said we.
Okay.
That's Shane. And then Imara have 2 girls.
Yeah.
One named Sashi and one named Ebony.
Yeah. Okay. So it's unfortunate, but you know, I think that it don't work out for everybody like that.
No.
With the absence of a dad, right?
Yeah.
Is it either make you or break you?
Yeah.
And obviously, you know, with you sitting right here, it made you into the person you are right now, the businessman that you are, because you've been packaging and selling from them time there till now.
Till now.
You see me? But the thing that we are packaging now are some different thing. You see me?
Yeah.
Look out, hold it up on the camera right now. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
What is right there, sir?
So this right there, so this is the virginity one. This makes the vagina tighter.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And this is the rifle wash.
Yeah.
This is anti-yeast and anti-inflammatory. It's for the rifle.
Yeah.
Because what happens is yeast is not a sexual transmitted disease, but it could transfer onto you. Right?
Okay.
And then no, the girl could get rid of her yeast infection, but guess what you do? You transfer it back to her.
Word.
So this is anti-yeast.
Okay then. So you said that it's so how does yeast develop in the private part?
Man, get scientific no.
No, I
don't necessarily beard like yeast. Woman get yeast infection from different like we're in tight jeans.
Tight stuff.
We're in tight jeans. Even them diet, certain food where you eat breed yeast.
Facts.
You get what I say?
Facts.
Whole heap of lick on them thing they breed yeast.
True. Like beer and them thing there. For real.
This is a virginity one. The virginity one tightens the vagina and it's all natural. One of the main ingredients in it is a thing called alum. You remember back in the days them talk about people use alum to make them pum tight. You never hear about that?
Okay. No, I mean, hear something about them should it up in there and clot and dry it out. I want to sit and use cake soap. I want to foolishness.
Yeah. All right. You know one song we say, good body girl nah use no alum.
Okay. So that's where it came from. Okay.
The girl body done.
Yes.
All right.
The old school tune. Yeah.
Yes.
That's facts.
Yes. Alum. Yeah. Alum.
So alum. Okay.
Yeah, alum. One of the main ingredients in this really tightens the skin.
Okay.
It can tighten the vagina. It can even make your face.
Word.
Like get rid of fine lines and shit like
that. So it's like anti-aging properties.
Yes.
So it actually tightens the skin.
Yeah.
Wow. So ladies, let me tell you, hey, we know some of y'all working in overtime, you understand?
Yeah.
Lincoln Tree that got it. You understand? Powerful. Make sure so go up on the website. I go up on the Instagram. I'm sure the link is in his bio.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? And then you have the rifle wash right there, so.
These are the rifle wash.
Yes.
This is anti-yeast.
So for all of the youths them out there, someone on like beard, brother, kind of nasty, you know, brother.
Yeah.
You understand? Because some of the girls them are complaining, so no grooming now up to par, bro.
True.
You understand?
This is true.
Yeah. So the G have the rifle wash here.
Yes, you need to wash your rifle with the rifle wash.
Yes. And in the instruction, the dog said, peel back the banana clip.
Yeah.
Bro. And I tell you this, it's official. Packaging is official. It is 100. This is something I would definitely buy.